I'm sure you've heard the news. The Hario pour-over is the coffee method everyone's raving about. Let's dive in and see what the fuss is all about. First, gather your materials. Fresh coffee beans, a grinder, a Hario V60 dripper, filter paper, a kettle, and a scale. Start by heating your water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. While the water is heating, grind your coffee beans to a medium-fine consistency. Place the filter paper in the dripper and rinse it with hot water to remove any paper taste. Add the ground coffee to the filter and gently shake to level the grounds. Pour a small amount of hot water over the grounds to bloom the coffee. Then wait for 30 seconds. Slowly pour the remaining water in a circular motion, keeping the water level consistent. Once all the water has dripped through, remove the dripper and enjoy your perfect cup of coffee. A clean, smooth, aromatic cup of coffee that's hard to beat. Enjoy your perfect brew and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coffee adventures. Happy brewing! Click the link in the description to buy your own Hario pour-over on Amazon today.